All right, I'm just going to show you how to change the typefaces. Just a blank document in Illustrator. It can be portrait or Command or Control N for new. It can be landscape. Now I think my version's just slightly under you guys, so it might look a little bit different, but what you'll do is create a new document, whatever the size was for the project. I think it was tabloid, which is 11 by 17. And you can have a portrait or landscape. All right, I'm gonna make a text box with my name in it. And I'm just gonna use my last name. And then when I click and drag, this is gonna select the typeface. And I'm gonna guess your character palette isn't out, which that makes it a lot easier to change. Now, I haven't seen it in the other one, but usually the character shows up top also. So yours may at home, but it may not at work. I'm trying to figure out the interface at work yet, but the character palette has everything. So if your character palette isn't out, go to Window, Type, and make sure character is popped up. Paragraph tends to come with it. That's fine. They work well together. You can change the type size there if you want. If you hold down your Shift Command and period, it's a greater than symbol, so it'll also make it larger. And then whenever I say Command, it's because I'm on a Mac, so just know Command is Control. So Shift Control period makes it larger. Shift Control comma, which is the less than symbol on your keyboard, will make it smaller. All right, so to change your typefaces, you click on that little drop-down menu. So make sure it's selected. Click on the drop-down menu, and you can see it's going to give you the previews. It should give you the previews. So the one that we were talking about that looks like Helvetica is Arial. So I'm going to just zoom up till we see Arial. And there, I've changed my typeface. All right. If you go to your regular selection and hold down your Alt key, it'll make a duplication. Select it, change it to whatever you wanted for your next one. I'm just going to pick whatever because it's just for a demo. So just make sure it's selected, and then you can change it to any typeface that you want.